When do you guys recommend changing spark plugs on the new Mark 8 GTIs, and do you recommend stockers or different ones for tuned cars? I haven't done much with the new GTIs.
I mean, we don't, and I don't think we have anything recommended outside of normal.
Yeah. Like for now, we're just using stock spark plugs on everything, and it's been fine. There's been no need for anything different. So as far as how long, I would say if you have a tuned car, I would certainly go sooner than the factory recommendation. I don't know what the factory recommendation is on the 40,000. I would do it every 20,000, something like that. They're probably not cheap. They're probably like $30 each or something. The new spark plugs are ridiculous.
Yeah.
Spark plugs used to be like $1 and now $40.
They're a little more exotic.
Yeah, and they have like material made from meteorites.
If you want to hear a crazy one, the new O2 sensors for Audis are like $200, $300.
Really
sweet.
But go back to Mark 6 days, it's like $20 for a Bosch sensor.
Oh, but they were spendy when they first came out. So those were new LSU 4.2s or whatever.
Yeah.
Well, they used to be like $80, $100. The wideband sensors they came down a lot. But